A small group in support of a child rape victim outside the Beltrami County Courthouse in Bemidji on this Friday afternoon. The group wants justice for the 11-year-old female victim in this case. Meanwhile, the suspect, 22-year-old Oscar Luna of Texas, made a brief court appearance today. He's facing a charge of first-degree criminal sexual conduct for the incident last month at a Bemidji residence. In court today, an omnibus hearing was scheduled for December 4th to take care of any issues before trial. Luna has a court-appointed attorney and remains in jail. He'd need to come up with $50,000 cash to be released on bond. Now, initially, the victim told authorities there were other victims and other suspects in this case. However, I was told again this week, while they're still investigating the case, as of right now, they still only have one victim and one suspect in this case, Oscar Luna. Here's our earlier report on a statement from Chief of Police Mike Maston.
We have an update on the sexual assault case in Bemidji, Minnesota. Police now say there was one victim and one suspect in this case. This in from Mike Maston, Chief of Police, quote, "On September 23rd, Bemidji Police responded to Sanford Medical Center's emergency department for the report of an assault. Responding officers learned that a juvenile female had been sexually assaulted. Through investigation, police and detectives were able to identify 1821 America Court as the location where the assault occurred. Bemidji police detectives executed a search warrant at that address and located one of the suspects described by the victim. Oscar Ernesta Luna, age 22 of Texas, was arrested and has been charged by the Beltrami County Attorney's Office with first-degree criminal sexual conduct. During the search, 12 other individuals were located and identified. The U.S. Border Patrol was requested to assist because of a language barrier. None of these individuals could be immediately identified as suspects in this case, and 11 were turned over to the custody of the U.S. Border Patrol. Any involvement they may have in this case is still actively being investigated. During the continued search of the area, one of the females described by the juvenile victim was located. This individual was identified as an adult and did not report being assaulted. This individual further reported that she was not aware of a third victim. During the execution of the initial search warrant, Bemidji police detectives confirmed that there was not a third victim still in the residence and continued to investigate the possibility of a third victim. With the assistance of the Minnesota Bureau of Criminal Apprehension crime scene team, the residence of 1821 America Court was processed for more than 8 hours in an attempt to locate any evidence in this case. Since this incident was first reported, Bemidji police detectives and agents from the BCA have been diligently investigating this case to ensure there are no other victims and that those responsible are arrested. This incident does appear to be isolated. As the investigation continues, Bemidji Police Department asks that everyone recognize the trauma and respect the privacy of the juvenile in this case. The Bemidji Police is collaborating with numerous agencies across the state with steadfast focus of solving this case and keeping all of our community's children safe. Anyone with information in this case is encouraged to contact Bemidji Police at 218-333-9111. Again, that was from Mike Maston, Bemidji Chief of Police. Officials now saying it appears one victim in this case and one suspect. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.